Video number 9. Using Facebook Live Video for your YouTube channel. So how can you use Facebook Live Video for your YouTube channel? Check out a few of our favorite ways to make Facebook's live video streaming feature work for you. Facebook recently rolled out a feature that's actually a very exciting opportunity for YouTube vloggers. With Facebook Live, you can create a live streaming video that's broadcasted to your Facebook page audience as you film. 1. Host a question and answer stream. Basically, you'll promote the Facebook Live video stream by letting your audience know when to log in and watch, and then during the stream you can answer questions that they ask in the page comments section. 2. Create live vlogs for your audience. You can also use Facebook Live to create real-time vlogs that are related to your channel but won't show up with any of your content on YouTube. This is a great way to get more of your YouTube channel's viewers to follow you on Facebook. 3. Collaborate with other vloggers on Facebook Live Video. Collaboration is always a great way to grow your YouTube channel and bring more value to your audience, and it's a particularly great idea for Facebook Live. You could do any number of types of live videos together, and cross-promote them on your Facebook pages, so you'll both get more exposure than you would on your own. 4. Take viewers behind the scenes. You can take your viewers through the items you'll be using, which products you'll be reviewing, and/or other topics and products that you'll be discussing in your vlog. It's a great teaser that can help build buzz before your YouTube content is uploaded, and it's live and interactive, so it's a lot of fun for your audience. These are just 4 of the many ways that we believe vloggers can use Facebook Live Video to interact with their YouTube channel's audience. Be creative, as there's a ton of different things you can do with the platform.